Hello guys, there we have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA, and today I will show you how you can turn on and adjust additional functions. So in the first step, turn on your washing machine. Then select your program, like a hygiene sim for example. Now to open the additional functions panel, click on this button. Now just turn on the dial to check the functions. The first function is a pre-wash. If you want to turn on anything, just click on the O button. The next is the intensive, the bubble soak, and the my cycles. If you want to edit it, click here. Now tap on the turn the dial and click on the O to add your cycle. If you want to go back, turn to the left side and click on the O to save. You can also set the delay here. If you want to do it, just click on the O button and use the dial to adjust the time. Hold on this button to apply that function. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.